Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're about to blow your minds with 7 side hustle ideas that are perfect for students. You know, those times when you're broke staring at textbooks, wishing you could order a giant pizza instead? These side hustles are like secret cheat codes to level up your bank account, all while juggling those classes. We're talking easy, flexible, and actually fun ways to make some serious cash. Stay tuned, because things are about to get wild. Alright, first up is for all you wordsmiths out there. You know that English paper you aced? That talent for crafting killer sentences? Turns out people will actually pay you for that. We're talking about freelance writing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are like the world's biggest job boards for freelancers. You can create a profile, highlight your writing skills, and boom, you're in business. We're talking blog posts, website content, even social media captions. The best part? You can set your own rates, work from anywhere, and be your own boss. It's like having superpowers, but instead of flying, you're earning money with your words. Are you a math whiz? A history buff? Maybe you can explain physics without making people's heads explode. If you're a master of any subject, tutoring could be your golden ticket. Think about it. You're already killing it in your classes, so why not help others and get paid for it? You can tutor classmates, younger students, even teach online. There are tons of websites that connect tutors with students, or you can spread the word on campus. Tutoring is super flexible, and you can often set your own hours, which means more time for, being a student. Plus, who knows, you might inspire the next Einstein. Let's be real, you're probably glued to your phone anyway, so why not get paid for your social media savvy? Businesses are always searching for social media managers to handle their online presence. And guess what? It's a skill you've already mastered. Think about it. You know how to craft the perfect caption, find trending hashtags, and engage with followers. You're basically a marketing ninja in disguise. Reach out to local businesses, create a killer portfolio highlighting your social media skills, and watch the offers roll in. The best part? You can manage multiple accounts from anywhere, making it the perfect side hustle for busy students like you. Okay, this one's for all you creative geniuses. Do you love making jewelry, painting, or crafting unique masterpieces? Well, get ready to turn your passion into profit. Platforms like Etsy are like the world's coolest online craft fair, connecting sellers with buyers from all over the globe. Create an Etsy shop, showcase your amazing creations, and let the world fall in love with your talent. From handmade candles to custom phone cases, the possibilities are endless. Not only will you be making money, but you'll also be sharing your unique creations with the world. Talk about a win-win. Do you love animals? Do you melt at the sight of a fluffy puppy? Well, get ready for the most adorable side hustle ever: pet sitting and dog walking. People are obsessed with their furry friends, and they're always looking for trustworthy people to take care of them. Sign up with a pet sitting app or spread the word in your neighborhood. You can set your own rates, choose the pets you want to hang out with, and get paid to cuddle adorable animals. Seriously, it's a dream job disguised as a side hustle. Plus, all that walking and playing is like a built-in workout. Okay, this one might not be the most glamorous side hustle, but it's definitely the easiest. Companies are constantly looking for consumer feedback, and they're willing to pay for your opinion. Sign up for reputable survey sites, answer questions honestly, and watch the money roll in. It's not a ton of money, but it's a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Plus, you can do it from anywhere, anytime. Imagine getting paid to binge watch Netflix and share your thoughts on the latest shows. Last but not least, we have the ultimate side hustle for all you multitasking masters becoming a virtual assistant. Busy professionals and entrepreneurs are always looking for help with tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, and handling social media. You can find virtual assistant jobs on websites like Upwork and Fiverr. The best part? You can often work from anywhere with an internet connection, making it the perfect side hustle for students on the go. Plus, you'll gain valuable experience and skills that will look amazing on your resume. Thanks for watching. If you found these side hustle ideas helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Remember, starting a side hustle is all about taking that first step. Don't be afraid to try something new, put yourself out there, and who knows, you might just discover your passion and build a successful business while you're still in school. Now go out there, hustle hard and make that money. See you in the next video.